Hey guys, everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's recipe, I'm going to show you how to make Tibetan natural multicolor khapse, which is very simple and you will find ingredient very easily in your kitchen. And let's get started, and hopefully you guys love it. And before watching video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So these are ingredients I choose for color. The vegetable we need not strong flavor. If too much strong flavor, so your khapse will not tasty. So in this recipe we're going to make sweet, so I choose mostly sweet except for spinach. So spinach doesn't have not strong flavor. So that's it. The other ingredient all are same. I skip except for milk. So you can check it out my normal khapse video I already upload. I will give the link in description box. Now let's prepare the all ingredient first. So here I'm gonna boil the pumpkin first. So add the water a little bit. So I'm gonna cook in microwave, so it will take only 2-3 minutes. Now we're going to make carrot juice. Add just a little bit water, not too much, around 3 tablespoons you have to add, and 2 tablespoons sugar. By the way, you can skip the water, you can add milk also. And now mix it. Now here I like to separate the liquid. You can add directly also if you want. And repeat the same process in step by step, the all ingredient. And pumpkin I'm not going to stand. Pumpkin I'm gonna use directly. Now all are ready. So finish. And this is pomegranate. It's light pink color, little bit light pink color. And this is bitter root. It's red color. It's like maroon color. This is carrot. And here is pumpkin. That's it. Now add the flour. How much you going to make? So here I'm going to make just for a little bit. And now I'm gonna add just 1 tablespoon cooking oil. So once I add the oil, you have to mix nicely. So if this is optionally, so if you add the oil, so it will make little bit your khapse will soft. Now first I'm gonna start with spinach juice. And when you add the spinach juice, add slowly. Do not add one time. So you have to make dough a little bit hard. Continuously knead the dough until not becomes smooth and soft. Once the dough becomes smooth, now cover and just leave it for 1 hour. 1 to 2 hours. How much longer you will keep it will be when you make the shape, it will nice. Now set aside. Repeat the same process. Now all are ready. Okay guys, now it's time to make shape. Now you can make any design as you like. You can make. Now follow the video direction. Alright guys, now it's ready for deep fry, and here I already heat the oil and drop your khapse one by one. And continuously fry until not golden brown color, and keep in your normal flame. Once a golden brown color, you have to flipper. So one thing I will recommend you, if you choose the color, choose only spinach and beetroot. It's really work. Other color, when you deep fry, it will easily remove and easily burn, so it will not good. So I will recommend use only two color is good. Alright guys, so this is my final result, and I hopefully this video will be helpful to all of you. And for more video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share with your friends and family, and every time enjoy my homemade recipe. And thank you so much for watching my video, and we'll see you in next video. Bye bye, and Chang Losar Khabse.